PokeClaw plus Gemma 4 destroys OpenClaw. This is insane. Google just dropped a model that lets AI control your phone. API key, monthly bill, cloud. And one developer built a working app with it in 2 nights. Today I'm breaking down PokeClaw, the open source Android agent running entirely on your device, and how it stacks up against the desktop AI agent stack, OpenClaw plus Gemma 4. Completely different setups, completely free. And by the end of this, you'll know exactly which one is right for you. Let's get into it. Google just released Gemma 4, their most capable open model family ever. Sizes. From the same research as Gemini 3. Released under Apache 2.0, which means you can use it commercially for free, no restrictions. 31B model is currently ranked number 3 open model in the world on the Arena AI leaderboard. Beats models 20 times its size. That's wild. Free model, running on your own hardware, beating paid models that cost way more. Here's where it gets even crazier. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian reads every comment, so drop one below. He loves hearing from you. Gemma 4 enables multi-step planning, autonomous action, offline code generation, and audio-visual processing, all without specialized fine-tuning. Has native support for function calling, structured JSON output, and native system instructions. That means you can build autonomous agents that interact with different tools, APIs, and execute workflows reliably. What does that actually look like in the real world? Projects have just shown us exactly what's possible, and they're very different. Let me walk you through both. Before I get into the desktop side of this, if you want to learn how to actually implement AI tools like this into your business, how to save time, automate tasks, and get real results, check out the AI Profit Boardroom. It's where serious business owners are doing exactly this, using AI automation to grow faster and work less. Link in the comments and description. Claw is, as far as anyone knows, the first working app built on Gemma 4 that can autonomously control an Android phone. The entire pipeline runs as a closed loop inside your device. Wi-Fi needed, monthly billing, API keys. Think about that for a second. Everyone else's setup goes phone, internet, cloud API, internet, phone. And there's a credit card needed, an API key required, a monthly bill attached. PokeClaw goes phone, LM, phone, that's it, internet, API key, bill. AI controls your phone, and it never leaves your phone. The model picks the right tool, fills in the parameters, and executes. You don't configure anything per app, just reads the screen and acts. Claw gives a small on-device LLM a set of tools: tap, swipe, type, open app, send message, enable auto reply, and lets it decide what to do. The LLM sees a text representation of the current screen, picks an action, sees the result, picks the next action until the task is done. There's already a demo of PokeClaw doing an auto reply. Monitors messages, reads what was said, and replies based on context, using only the on-device LLM. Cloud touched. Data sent anywhere. The developer built this in 2 all-nighters on a model that dropped days ago. CS dropout with 0 Android development experience. He used Claude Code to go from nothing to a working app in 2 nights. That's the world we're living in now. Here's the catch you need to know. 8 GB of RAM is the minimum, but it may still crash on some devices depending on what else is running. 12 GB or more is comfortable. If the app crashes during model loading, close other apps and try again. If it still crashes, your phone doesn't have enough free RAM for a 2.3B model. That's a hardware limitation, not a bug. So if you've got a modern flagship Android phone with 12 GB of RAM, you're good to go. Now let me give you a practical example of what this looks like for business. Imagine you're running a community like the AI Profit Boardroom. You get hundreds of DMs a day. Member welcome messages, questions about the community, price inquiries. With PokeClaw, you could set up an auto-reply workflow that reads those messages and replies based on context, all locally on your phone, privately, with 0 API cost. Every single reply handled by AI, your data never touching a third-party cloud. That's not a future thing. That's right now. Let's talk about the other setup. This is for your computer. OpenClaw is a personal AI assistant that runs on your own devices. It bridges messaging services, WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, Discord, iMessage, and more to AI coding agents through a centralized gateway. And now, with Gemma 4, you can run the whole thing for free. Gemma 4 supports native function calling, which is critical for OpenClaw's skill system. The 26B MOE model scores 85.5% on the T2 Bench agentic tool use benchmark. And it's Apache 2.0 licensed. Use it commercially, modify it, distribute it, no restrictions. For Gemma 3 27B, that same benchmark score was just 6.6%. Gemma 4 26B scores 85.5%. The improvement is massive. Gemma 4 was designed from the ground up for agentic workflows with native support for function calling and structured JSON output. That is a 10 times jump in 1 generation. 26B MOE model is the best choice for most OpenClaw users. Activates only 3.8B parameters per inference, so it runs at roughly 4B speed while delivering quality comparable to a 13B model. So you get the speed of a small model with the smarts of a big one. If you were to use a cloud API to read every personal file, analyze screen context, and process thousands of automated actions an hour, the resulting token tax would be astronomical. Paying a cloud provider for every single token generated by a constantly active background agent is financially unsustainable. This is the #1 thing people miss when they think about AI agents. It's not just the subscription cost. It's the token cost. Every single action the agent takes, every file read, every tool call, every decision costs tokens. That adds up fast. Running Gemma 4 locally on an NVIDIA GPU, users eliminate these API token costs entirely. You get infinite fast, zero latency inference that makes an always-on AI feel like a native, cost-free extension of your operating system. Here's how the setup works in simple terms. You install Ollama on your computer. Ollama is basically the thing that runs AI models locally. One command and your machine becomes an AI server. OpenClaw handles orchestration, messaging, and skill execution. Before, via Ollama handles reasoning, planning, and tool selection. External dependencies beyond your own hardware. Hardware. For the 26B MoE variant, which is the recommended one, you need 16GB RAM minimum. That's an Apple Silicon M2 Pro or better, or a PC with a mid-range GPU. Practical note. When connecting OpenClaw to Ollama, use Ollama's native API endpoint, not the OpenAI compatible URL. OpenAI compatibility mode breaks tool calling, and models may output raw tool JSON as plain text. Most people end up using Gemma 4 locally for routine work, about 60 to 70% of a typical session, and sending harder tasks to cloud models. The smart setup uses Gemma 4 for file reads, simple edits, and boilerplate, and a cloud model for complex reasoning when needed. That hybrid approach is smart. You're not paying for the easy stuff. You're only paying for the hard stuff. Here's the simple breakdown. Claw is for your Android phone. Controls the phone itself, tapping, swiping, messaging. It's a mobile agent. Needs 12GB plus RAM on your device. It's early stage open source and it was built in 2 nights. That means it's going to have bugs. The concept is real and it works. OpenClaw plus Gemma 4 is for your desktop or laptop. It connects to your messaging apps and can handle multi-step automation workflows. It's more mature as a platform. With Gemma 4's 85.5% tool use accuracy, it's now reliable enough to run real workflows without embarrassing failures. For free to run after setup. To keep your data private. To work offline. The choice comes down to one question. Are you trying to automate your phone or automate your desktop workflows? For most business owners watching this, the desktop setup with OpenClaw and Gemma 4 is going to be the more immediately useful one. You can start automating real business tasks this week. Keep an eye on PokeClaw. Because what's happening there, a free, private, on-device AI controlling your phone, that's going to get very serious very fast. Local LLMs are now smart enough to actually do useful work on a phone. That wasn't true 6 months ago. Device models are getting smarter fast, and it won't be long before they close the gap with cloud models entirely. When that happens, the game changes completely. Big picture here is this. Free AI agents are no longer a hobbyist experiment. Gemma 4 just proved that open source models can hit top 3 in the world. OpenClaw showed that desktop agents are production ready. PokeClaw showed that phone agents are here. The only question is, are you going to be the person who uses these tools or the person who watches other people use them? If you want to stay ahead of every AI tool like this and actually learn how to implement them into your business, join the AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. I'll show you exactly how to use tools like PokeClaw and OpenClaw to build real automated workflows. Link is in the comments and description. And if you want the full process SOPs and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free community. Link in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 45,000 members who are crushing it with AI.